Hey guys, it's your boy, popular capuchin moderator, and in today's video, we will be looking through the deep archives of mod gallery. Basically, this will be either old Gorilla Tag content, capuchin content that I have never posted. Don't know if this could be long or not, but subscribe anyway. Have fun, and I forgot what I was gonna say. Subscribe for banana.
Oh, I love doing that on the swimmer.
You can count 3. Oh my god. Looks so weird.
Bro. How should you follow me? You like my video? I mean, you like.
I follow 6 people now. I'm following Electronic Star and a couple of other people. I'm following Electronic Star Lemming and a couple of other people.
You should turn
Like,
right.
I saw your count before, and you had like 16K. Now you have a.
Turn around.
I love the world around.
Get me, please. I tried to warn you. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bro, he's goated, bro. He probably has like 4K hours in this game. Maybe more. Can you check on Steam? Well, yeah, you can check on Steam if you have a PC at least. Do you only have an Oculus?
Trying to go.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I can't walk, but I can't wall run.
I cannot make it, bro. I am very sick.
Hi.
Oh, fuck.
Dude.
So I make it.
Got you. No, the best player in lava.
The guy that just said he's gonna go take a shower, he's lava.
Bozo. 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 Bozo.
Why do you keep on saying the same thing over and over?
Cause it's hilarious.
Bozo.
Finally.
Bozo, 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 bozo.
Bozo. Cause you are my nigga.
Yup, I knew it was you.
Racist, I'm black.
I won't tell.
I'm black. I'm literally sick. Woo! Lost bozo.
Teach me how to play.
Glad I cut that on.
Stop it.
I'm not calling you the N-word.
Yeah, you are. You just did. And you said that you eat my mom.
No.
Mine's a black one.
You're being mean. I'm going to my big brother.
Why am I the only one different?
Okay.
Guess what, loser?
What?
What, you're gay?
Get out of here, else we'll kill you.
Being gay isn't bad.
Give me
What's our
I said loser, not gay.
Someone else said it, not you.
No, cool kids club, but all
Being gay is bad. I'm joking.
No, it's not. It's
LGBTQ is stupid.
you're giving me more reasons to send this to a moderator.
And guess what?
What? You
I
don't
did
care?
nothing wrong. I literally did nothing wrong.
I caught a few
I
things you did
uninstalled
wrong.
my game and I got the secret tunnel, and guess what? Now I'm out. I'm right here.
Yeah, you're out now, but now you're saying homophobic stuff, which is also against the rules. Look.
I said LGBTQ is stupid. What's so bad?
No racism, sexism, homophobia, transphobia, or other bigotry.
I'm not being homophobic. I just said LGBTQ sucks.
That's being homophobic.
Heathens?
That's a definition of homophobia.
Have you not heard other people in comments?
Like, listen, there's a difference between.
What they say.
There's a difference between.
Women can't COD?
Listen, there's a difference between not supporting LGBTQ and respecting it, but and there's there's a difference between respecting LGBTQ but not agreeing with it and just straight up saying it's dumb. Like, it's a difference.
Who?
You're gonna say who cares, aren't you?
Say who asked, not who cares.
Same thing.
Hey, let me here record. I have to tell Slane to let me know.
Okay. Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I've been recording for like the past 5
This
minutes.
is for all the moderators. This is for all the moderators and Lemon. You can't report me when I've done like nothing compared to the other people in comp logging. Say all this horrible stuff. Like, there's no reason to report me for that when there's other people talking all this bad stuff in other lobbies.
Just because someone else does something wrong doesn't mean you can do it.
Okay. How about this? Let's join a code together and see what they say. Come on.
No.
Where? Yeah, you're afraid you're gonna be wrong. That's what I thought.
Are you gonna? What code are we going into?
We're gonna join code farm.
Farm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if there's nobody in that, we'll join code toes.
I'm not joining code toads. I'm not gonna waste my time with that. This is crazy. I never thought I'd see this.
Dude. Yo, Greg, get down here.
I'm watching from a distance.
Why are you fucking eating your pineapple? Yo, okay, wait. No.
Oh my god. What is happening?
I'm not. She said she wasn't, and she's not now. I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Dang.
You want me? No.
How old even are you, Pineapple?
Wait, what do you look like? What do you look like? Send it after. If you're not, I'll send you it. If you're not, then you're not getting shit.
How old even are you?
Fucking like 13.
Wow. Sound older.
My hair.
Hey, yo, bro, what's the beat down here? I need to talk with Donald Duke. Yo, bro, I need to talk with Donald Duke.
How old is
Fight me.
How old is Witch Hat?
Oh, snap.
I'm only 14, alright? I'm only 14. Oh, snap. I'm only 14.
Hey, yo, bro.
You're 14?
Send a picture of yo, girl.
How are you older than me?
I know. My voice did not drop like whatsoever.
Mine dropped like a year ago. How are you older?
I don't know.
That's
07, baby, 07.
Dang.
Bro, didn't hit puberty yet.
I hit puberty when I was like 9. It's crazy.
I was dropping my voice in. I'm sure they did.
Can you change your name to Donald Duke and then... Nigga.
What is... Hi.
Oh, shit.
Hi. Dang, out. I miss you.
I swear, bruh. Damn.
I'm embarrassed.
Fries my throat, though.
Good.
that is all the clips I have found. I've tried to find capuchin clips, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I didn't even record back then. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure didn't, because I hated how I acted back then. So yeah, subscribe for Banan.
Baby, what you wishing for? Maybe you should wish it more.